start with the blood vessels. Right. So these are the tubes or network of pipes like structures. Through the blood, right? So blood vessels, they are further off. Capillaries, right? So let's start with arteries and veins, right? तो दोनों का डिफरेंस डिस्कस करेंगे. क्लियर बेटा? So let's do the difference between arteries and veins, right? So what is the first difference?
Arteries are the blood vessels that carry blood from heart or body.
So they carry blood from heart to all body parts, right? So what veins will do? Reverse. Okay. So they carry blood from all body parts to heart. Next, what type of blood they carry?
Oxygenated blood,
And veins carry
oxygenated blood,
arteries carry
oxygenated blood, oxygenated blood, except pulmonary artery.
arteries carry oxygenated blood. There is the exception of one artery, which is pulmonary artery. That carry
Deoxygenated blood.
That carry deoxygenated blood. Similarly, for the veins, they carry
Deoxygenated blood except pulmonary vein.
So they carry deoxygenated. That means the blood rich in
Carbon dioxide.
right. So it is rich in carbon dioxide. Here is also one exception with the pulmonary vein. That carry
Oxygenated blood.
right.
मैम हम डिफरेंशिएट है तो हमें पूरा लिखना पड़ेगा एक्सेप्ट पल्मोनरी आर्टरी दैट
हाँ जी बेटा, दिस इज इम्पोर्टेंट. आपने पल्मोनरी आर्टरी और वेन्स को एक्सप्लेन करना है बिकॉज़ ये एक्सेप्शन है दोनों. ठीक है? So you have to explain, right? So they carry
blood from
blood from
heart to all body.
heart to
All body parts.
they carry blood from
Body parts to heart.
arteries carry
Oxygenated blood.
except
Pulmonary artery
that carry
deoxygenated blood.
veins carry
Deoxygenated blood.
except
Pulmonary vein.
that carry
Oxygenated blood.
बेटा सबके लिए रिवीजन है तो बोलिए. क्लियर बेटा? थर्ड पॉइंट करें.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the third point?
They are thicker.
About the
elastic.
about the walls of the arteries and the veins.
They are thick. They are thick and elastic.
They have thick
And elastic walls.
and elastic walls. And what about their walls? They have
Less elastic
thin and
less elastic walls.
less elastic.
Walls.
Right?
Yes.
Next is about the pressure of the blood. Blood flows at
High pressure.
pressure. So because it flows at high pressure, so that's why its walls are thick. Okay. So here,
High speed and
but blood flows at
high speed and high pressure.
high speed and high pressure in arteries. Okay. And what about veins? Because they have
flows
thin.
at low speed and low pressure.
So here the blood flows at
Low speed and low
speed and low pressure. Right? What next?
walls.
Right. Walls. Walls is membranous structure. Right? So here are
Absent.
the walls are absent. And here the walls are. See, in case of veins, the blood is brought from all body parts to the heart, right? So this is in the reverse direction. So reverse direction से जब blood को ऊपर लेके आना है, right? So you need something, right, which direct that blood to flow only in one direction, right? So these are the walls which direct the blood to flow only in the one single direction. Okay? So these are the membranous structures that allow the blood to flow only in one particular direction. Okay? So in case of arteries, because it is moving from heart to all body parts, so you don't need walls. Because here the blood is traveling in the opposite direction. Okay? So you need something to direct that blood to flow only in one single direction. Okay? So here the balls are present. Here beta. What next? हाँ जी next point बोलिए. About their position. Arteries कहाँ पर present है?
Deep side.
They are deep side. Seated. Right? बहुत अंदर तक होती हैं. And veins, they are not deeply. To see your hands and arms, you can see the greenish blue veins. Can you see?
Yes.
Right? So these are the veins. Okay? So arteries, they are red in color. And veins, they are
Greenish blue in color.
very good. So they are greenish blue in color. Okay, so 7 points of differences we have done in case of arteries and veins. हाँ जी क्लियर बेटा?
सिंगल क्वेश्चन पूछे तो हम ये सारे पॉइंट्स उसमें लिख सकते हैं ना हम पॉइंट्स के फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं
वन टू थ्री फोर नंबर डाल के भी आप लिख सकते हो ठीक है अगर अकेला आर्टिस्ट का पूछा है तो पॉइंट्स बना के 7 पॉइंट्स लिख सकते हो अकेला वेंस का पूछा है या डिफरेंट हाँ जी क्लियर बेटा
यस मैम
and what about veins all body parts to heart okay so veins they carry blood from all body parts to heart back next
Arteries carry oxygenated blood
So arteries, they carry which type of blood? Oxygenated blood. With the exception of which artery?
Pulmonary artery.
That carries
Deoxygenated blood.
And what about veins? Veins, they carry
Deoxygenated blood.
except
Pulmonary.
which carries
Oxygenated blood.
What about the walls of arteries?
They are thick and elastic.
So walls of the arteries, they are thick and elastic. What about the walls of veins?
They are thick and less elastic.
They are thin and
Less elastic.
What about the flow of blood in the arteries?
Blood flows at high pressure.
So blood, it flows at high speed and high pressure in
Arteries.
And what about veins?
Blood flows at very low speed and low pressure.
In case of
Veins.
What about walls?
Walls are absent in arteries.
Walls are absent in
Arteries.
And veins?
Walls are present in veins.
What about the position of the arteries in the body?
They are deeply seated.
They are
Deeply seated.
and veins?
They are not deeply seated.
Color of arteries?
They are red color.
And what about veins?
They are green in color.
Okay, points?
Yes.
ठीक है बेटा. So next we are going to do about the capillaries. So next are capillaries. So these are the
Extremely thin blood vessels that connect arteries to the veins.
These are thin tubes or blood vessels that connect arteries to veins, right? So arteries और veins को कौन connect करता है?
Capillaries.
Right? So what is the function of the capillaries?
They carry food.
So they help in the transportation of the food, minerals, right, and water, okay, to all body parts. So exchange of substances takes place.
They carry carbon dioxide.
Through capillaries. To all parts. Okay, first. Next, they also help in the transportation of
Waste products.
oxygen, right? And they also carry
Carbon dioxide.
waste products like generation of carbon dioxide. ठीक है? तो कैपिलरीज जो है वो सब्सटेंसेस का एक्सचेंज करती है, एक्सचेंज ऑफ गैसेस, ऑक्सीजन एंड द कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Okay? So it carries all these, right? And clear हो गया बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
So arteries, they are further divided into the capillaries. From the arteries, all these substances, all these functions, they take place and they finally end into the veins. ठीक है? Arteries finally join कर जाती है. All the capillaries they join to form the veins. हाँ जी, clear बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
So from the arteries, the capillaries they join to form the veins. So next we are going to do the diagram of heart. Next करें बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ जी, ऑनलाइन स्टूडेंट्स क्लियर? हाँ जी बेटा.
पेट से निकाला जाता है।
क्लियर बेटा?
यस मैम।
चलिए next we are going to do the structure of heart. So firstly, what is heart?
Heart is an organ which pumps the blood to all parts of the body.
Very good. So it is a pumping organ that pumps the blood to the all body parts. तो बोलते नहीं हैं. So it is the organ that pumps So what about its working? It works continuously,
Yes.
right? Without stopping.
Without.
And what is the size? What is the size of the
like
heart?
a fist.
A fist size, right? And what about the position of the heart?
Chest cavity.
It is situated so in the center of the or in the chest cavity, right? But it is slightly tilted towards the
Left.
with slightly tilted towards
Left.
here, beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Now next term we are going to define is pericardium. Now what is pericardium? हाँ जी, what is pericardium beta? The heart, it is basically covered with two layers. So the layers that are forming the layers that are present in which the heart is present, we call this layer as pericardium. Okay, so membranous structure so heart is enclosed between double layered membranous structure called pericardium. Okay, तो जब हम स्ट्रक्चर बनाएंगे I'll explain you. So next, how many chambers are there in the heart?
4.
Right. The upper two chambers we call them as
Atriums.
atrium
Or
singular atrium
atria.
and auricle. Okay, तीनों में से कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं.
Or
So this is auricle. Upper left and
right.
right chambers. तो हम इनकी बात करें. Right. So these two upper chambers we call them as upper left and right chambers we call them as atrium, auricles or atrium. Okay. And these two lower
Ventricles. मैम इसका तो नहीं कोई शॉर्ट फॉर्म होता है।
So they are known as ventricles. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Now this is which side?
Left.
ये वाली कौन सी साइड होगी?
Left.
Right. This is which side?
Right.
This is which side?
Left.
ठीक है? ऐसे देखो. This is which side?
Right.
This is which side?
Left side.
ठीक है? जब हम लिखते हैं ये ऑपोजिट है, देखो देखो. We are talking about this thing. ऐसे बात कर रहे हैं. Not like this.
Yes.
ठीक है? तो इस तरह जो चैम्बर्स हैं, this will be left and this will be
Right.
ठीक है? Now, in which side the oxygenated blood flows?
Left.
In which side the oxygenated blood flows?
Left.
This is from the left side. So oxygenated blood flows in
Left side.
left side. And what about deoxygenated blood?
Right side.
So deoxygenated blood flows in right side. Right? So that means oxygen rich blood and this is
Carbon
dioxide.
rich blood.
Now we can't mix these two bloods. Right? ये दोनों ब्लड्स जो हैं वो एक दूसरे में मिक्स नहीं होते हैं. वो कैसे नहीं मिक्स होते हैं? They are separated by a partition wall. They are separated. This left side is separated from the right side by a partition wall. We called this as
Septum.
so this is the partition wall called right that prevents the intermixing of the oxygenated and deoxygenated blood. Clear, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear?
Yes.
So oxygenated blood and deoxygenated blood, they are separated from each other by a wall. We call this as okay.
Yes.
So let's draw the diagram. रुक जाते हैं, बस इतना ही बना रही हूँ, कंप्लीट कर दो इसको.